Okay, hi! So we are at the art fair at the Boathouse, and there's going to be a balloon race today. However, it looks like the balloon race might not be happening. And lightning sounded like it almost hit something directly behind our tent. And I'm not exaggerating. It was like crack, crack, bam! Ah! Boom! So really, really loud. So I've sold two prints, so that was kind of nice. And that's it. So this is a little different setup than last time. I am here with two veterans over there, Arliana Holtzman, and there's another lightning. And Misty Cooks over there. I saw Molly today. Yeah, so if you see here, check out these guys. So I painted these last night. And I got these prints this morning. These are all the birds that are out at the Boathouse. So one of the ladies that work here at the Boathouse who set up this art fair actually said this guy's name here is Eddie. So this is Eddie. And I asked her what these guys' names were, and she did not know, but these are all from photographs from the Boathouse, and she gave me permission to do the art. So these are on wood acrylics. These are $10, but it's also because the Boathouse is closing for a short period of time. Water just got on the camera, so if I look all watery, that's why. So the Boathouse is going to be closing it for rehab for like almost 2 years, I think. A year and a half, something like that. So I was hoping people would want those prints. Yeah, because this is the last. It is the last one.